Hey guys, welcome back to Chapter 8, Lesson 5, Part 2. What we're going to do here is we're going to add something to Part 1. Now, if you guys know me, when I say add something, you know I'm really just talking about adding negatives. So we're going to add a negative here. We're going to put a negative number in the middle of this problem. So let's go ahead and use the problem x squared minus 10x plus 16. We are still following the same basics as part 1. We need to find the numbers that multiply to get 16. So our numbers that multiply to get 16 are 1 and 16, 2 and 8, and 4 and 4. Now, unlike the last problem, where we added the numbers together to get the middle number, there's no way we can add a positive and a positive together to get a negative, can we? The only two ways to get a negative when adding is either a positive plus a bigger negative, or two negatives added together. If I multiplied a negative by a positive, would that give me a positive? No, it's going to give me a negative. But I know when I multiply these together, I need a positive 16. If I multiply two negatives together, would that give me a positive? Yeah. So we're going to make all of our factors negative. Now we're going to add them together to get the middle number. So when we do this, we're going to get negative 17, negative 10, and negative 8. Of course, all we're caring about is the negative 10. Just like last time, we're going to get our answers to the problem by doing x minus 2, because it's a negative 2, and x minus 8, because it's a negative 8. And that's how you write your answers. So let's go ahead and work through another one of these together. Let's go ahead and do the problem x squared minus 16x plus 60. So we need to list all the numbers that multiply together to get 60. We're going to get 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, there's a lot of them, 5 and 12, and 6 and 10. Again, since that middle number is negative and that last number is positive, all of our factors are going to be negatives. Now we add them together to try to get the middle number. Hopefully one of these will work. Get negative 61, negative 32, negative 23, negative 19, negative 17, and negative 16. Negative 16 being the one we are looking for. That means our answer is going to be x minus 6 and x minus 10. It's going to give you one to do on your own. So let's go ahead and do the problem x squared minus 5x plus 6. So we're going to take a second, work this one out, and we'll go over it. Okay, so what we're going to do is find our numbers that multiply to get 6, which is 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. This one's pretty simple. Again, all the factors are negative. We're going to get a negative 7, or we're going to get a negative 5. Negative 5 being the one we're looking for. Our answer is going to be x minus 2 and x minus 3. Okay, guys, go ahead and keep practicing with this, and we'll be back for part 3.